Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Ishaaq. I'm 16 years old from the United States. Just a few things about the Quran Reading Center. My teacher, Muhammad Uthman, he is a very good Quran teacher, and he will help any student from any level with Tajweed and pronunciation of the Quran. He is very precise with all the rules, and he will correct you down to each letter. And my brother, who is 11, and I have been working with him for the past few months now, and we have greatly progressed in terms of like pronunciation and Tajweed, and also memorization. I've memorized one juz with him so far, 27th to 26th juz I memorized. And he is also a very flexible teacher too. He will wake up in the middle of the night just to teach his students, because most of his students, or some of his students, are from the US and he's in Egypt, so he has to wake up in the middle of the night if the classes are in the evening time. And he also teaches Arabic, so if you need to learn Arabic, he can teach you.